What if a young person came to you and blurted out, "Brother, I don't believe that God exists." How would you respond? How would you prove God's existence? Hello everyone, Brother Roel here, and welcome to my video. This is a timeless question, one that St. Thomas Aquinas addressed and answered with clarity and depth hundreds of years ago. So today, allow me to share my own reflection on this issue, drawing from the third way of St. Thomas's Quinque Viae. Imagine looking around. Everything you see is temporary. People are born, live and die. Stars are formed, shine for a time, and eventually burn out. Even mountains rise and erode. Philosophers call this contingency, things that exist but don't have to. They could just as well not exist. Pwedeng nag-i-exist ka, pwede ring hindi. Pwedeng nag-i-exist ako, pwede ring hindi. So kung ganito ang reality, na in just a snap of a finger, everything will crumble into nothing. Kasi walang stable that will hold everything to its place. Walang foundation. Now here's the question. If everything is contingent, if everything comes into being and passes away, then at some point, there would have been nothing. And if there were nothing, then nothing would exist now, because nothing comes from nothing. But clearly, something does exist. You and I are here. I am talking to you. I am talking in front of you. Yet, I am contingent. Sa Tagalog, nagkataon lang. Nagkataon lang ba na you are existing, that I am existing? Definitely not. Someone willed that you and I will exist. That someone is not dependent on anybody else. So not everything can be contingent. There must be at least one being that is necessary. A being that must exist and cannot not exist. This necessary being's existence is its very essence. This necessary being doesn't depend on anything else for its existence. It simply is. Thomas argues that this necessary being is what we call God. Not a God of gaps, but the foundation that makes possible the existence of everything else. We are all dependent on God. We cannot claim that we are what we are all because of our own efforts. Let us all remember that we are a contingent being. There was a time that we don't exist, and God willed for you and me to exist. I hope this short video will help us recognize our smallness in front of a loving God, the necessary being that grounds all existence itself. Till next time, Brother Roel here. God bless.